Hey, it's Aziah and Mommy.
Okay, and what are we doing today?
We're gonna open Imperfect Food unboxing.
Awesome. So, I guess we should just get started.
Yep.
All right, we're trying something new. But we want you to just be able to see what's going on in the box.
Ooh. Whoa. What's that?
You got a coffee. Oops.
Holly.
This way. Good luck, coffee.
Giant carrots. Giantest carrot I've ever seen.
And this is a humongous carrot. All right, so we got 2 huge carrots.
Here, we can feed that to Easter Bunny.
You got cauliflower.
Like always. Blueberries.
Blueberries, like always.
Salad.
This is green onions.
Oh, my bad. Apple. Other apple.
Got some apples.
Pears.
Pears for breakfast.
And
1 avocado.
2 limes.
3 red onions.
2 limes. And 4 potatoes.
4
potatoes. I think that's a carrot. Right?
No, these are. And
4 potatoes.
2 sweet potatoes.
Second. Whoa. Okay, we have you guys running down, so we're just gonna scoot you up. The longest and the longest carrot on the planet. And do not count movies.
This is probably our shortest one in history.
Yep.
So I got the gloves out so that he can. I don't know. Why do you get the gloves out?
So I don't get germs.
Okay, cool. All right. Well, how do you feel about Imperfect this week?
Not sure if I got any of my favorite stuff.
Yeah, we didn't get plums, which you normally get. We didn't get cilantro, which you normally get. This time, actually,
Or the
let them pick stuff for us, which could be cool and could be a problem. We always get cauliflower. We always get red onions. We definitely get limes. There's usually at least 1 avocado that comes in. I do not have potatoes on my list.
And I wanted one of those barbecue things.
Yeah.
The beef jerky things.
Yeah, but we'll do that this week. Every single week they give you a certain period to buy other things, and that usually starts on Thursday, it ends on Sunday. I started, which is why I got this, but
it's not for kids.
I forgot to order everything else. So on Sunday it closes down, and then my delivery day is on Tuesday, and it starts all over again. So next week I will get some more. But sometimes you just gotta chill. Sometimes it's just too stressful, and doing these unboxings actually takes out a little bit.
Oh, these are green.
On top of cleaning everything. So we're gonna say bye. Sai, come on.
Bye.
They can't see you. Bye. If you're interested in Imperfect, you can find our link in the description, or you can find it if you're looking at this on Instagram. You can find it link in bio.
Bye.